Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn Confusing Words Challenge, a fun classroom game. Let's dive in. Confusing Words Challenge. Objective: help students differentiate similar sounding words in a fun and active way. Objective: help students differentiate similar sounding words in a fun and active way. How to play. Step 1. Group students. Step 1. Group students. Divide class into 2 to 3 teams. Divide class into 2 to 3 teams. Step 2. Prepare cards. Step 2. Prepare cards. Make flashcards with words. Collage, college, beetroot. Words. Collage, college, beetroot. Pictures. Artwork. School vegetable. Pictures. Artwork. School vegetable. Step 3. Game proper. Step 3. Game proper. Round 1. Run and match. Run and match. Place word cards on the board. Place word cards on the board. Give a picture to each team. Give a picture to each team. One student runs and matches correctly. One student runs and matches it correctly. Correct, got 1 point. Correct, got 1 point. Round 2. Act it out. A student picks a word and acts it out. A student picks a word and acts it out. Team guesses. Team guesses. Collage. Collage. Pretend cutting / gluing. Pretend cutting / gluing. College. Pretend studying. College. Pretend studying. Beetroot. Pretend eating. Beetroot. Pretend eating. Correct guess. Got 2 points. Correct guess. Got 2 points. Round 3. Sentence challenge. Teacher says a sentence with a missing word. I study in blank. Team answers. College. I study in college. Correct, got 2 points. Correct, got 2 points. Bonus round, trap question. Trap question. Teacher says, I made a college using pictures. I made a college using pictures. Students must shout. Students must shout. Wrong! Wrong! It should be collage. It should be collage. Rewards ideas. Stickers. Stickers. Clap patterns. Clap patterns. English star of the day. English star of the day. Teacher tips. Teacher tips. Use real pictures for better understanding. Use real pictures for better understanding. Let shy students answer in groups. Let shy students answer in groups. Add more confusing words next time. Add more confusing words next time. Ship, ship. Dessert, dessert. Quick quiz. Pictures, collage. Pictures, collage. School, college. School, college. Red veggie, beetroot. Red veggie, beetroot. Comment your answer below. Follow for more Easy English Lessons PH. Thanks for watching.